Chemical properties of the acids. Chemical properties of the acid. First is when acid react with metals. Acid react with metals. When acid react with metals, then it gives a salt by the evolution of hydrogen gas. The general format of this reaction is that acid react with metal gives salt plus hydrogen gas. But in this reaction, many criteria are followed. The first A criteria is that when metal is more reactive, means easily lose electrons, then it will be react with dilute acid. For example, reactive metal sodium react with dilute HCl and gives salt, that is sodium chloride plus hydrogen gas. Similarly, magnesium react with HCl gives magnesium chloride MgCl2 plus hydrogen gas. And second criteria is that if metal is less reactive or not easily loses electrons, then it does not react with dilute acids. For example, copper, which is less reactive, does not react with dilute HCl. Does not react with dilute HCl. Similarly, less reactive metal, that is silver, Ag, does not react with dilute HCl. Platinum does not react with dilute HCl. So, less reactive metals react only with the concentrate acid. For example, when copper react with concentrate H2SO4, then it gives a salt copper sulfate plus sulfur dioxide gas, that is SO2 plus H2O. Since sulfur is less reactive metal, that's why it is react only with concentrate H2SO4 and gives a SO2 gas, that is suffocating smell. And the third criteria C is when HNO3 when HNO3 react with metals, then it gives H2O in place of H2. In place of H2. Since HNO3 is a very strong oxidizing agent, so it will further oxidize H2 into H2O. For example, if copper react with concentrate HNO3, then it gives copper nitrate, that is CuNO3 whole twice plus H2O plus NO2. So here is the H2O produced in place of H2. But there are two metals, that is Mg and Mn. When react with HNO3, then they will produce hydrogen gas, H2 gas.